Hello and welcome to Research Circle. I hope you all are doing well. So the topic for today's discussion is how do you start a travel blog on YouTube. So the vast majority of the people like to travel. It's not secret. However, most of them like to do only once or twice a year because it is too much of change in their daily routine. So they avoid going on trips more often. On the other hand, there are also those people who live for travel. The meaning of their lives is to travel our planet and get to know every corner. The whole meaning of our life is reflected in the quote of the famous Louis Fredolin from the book Journey to the End of the Night. If you find yourself in a silly sentence, travel is useful, it exercises the imagination, all the rest is disappointment and fatigue. So you must have thought at the last sentence that realization of your dreams would be if you are able to travel constantly and made your travels the main source of your income. With the advent of the internet and the above website YouTube that has become possible, so there are so many successful travel bloggers who inspires you and you want to do be just like them. In order to help you to achieve your dream, we have come up with some handy tips so that you can start a travel blog on YouTube. Now the first question come here is why YouTube? You wonder why YouTube when there are many other well-known platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and others. Still, YouTube is second largest search engine in the world behind only Google. Since YouTube is a part of Google conglomerate, this means that your YouTube videos will not be only on YouTube but also on Google. Put together and it will clear you why YouTube is right choice for the travel blog. In addition to being able to reach so many people, you will also target those who want to watch the videos. Whoever enters the YouTube has done so with a plan to watch some videos, not just to scroll down mechanically as it in case on Instagram for example. Now the next question come here is how to start. Now the first thing you need to know is that as interesting as this may seem, it also very difficult and demanding. So before you get into all this, think carefully about whether this is really what you want. Is it will make a lot of money and effort to become a successful travel blogger. Still, if travel is your passion, then you can go ahead. The next point come here is buy equipment. Of course, you don't need to have most expensive and advanced equipment to get started. Many started recording with their only a smartphone. The phone's camera are at very high level and can certainly be enough to get you started. This is why your advice is to invest in a good smartphone because it will be useful to you in many ways. Of course, if you have money for camera too, even better. The next thing you will need is the mount. The need this to keep your videos and photos stable. If the camera shaken too much, it will be hard for the people to watch the videos no matter how good the content is. It would be good to have external storage to which you can transfer all the videos and photos during the trip. One more thing you need is a good laptop or computer system. You have to have one good processor so you can edit your videos fast. For example, rendering 4K videos is extremely demanding for a processor. These are some of the basic things you need to get started. In addition, you need to have everything for travel, which you probably already have because you are an avid traveler. The next thing here is a jump start your channel. Now, only when you create your YouTube channel and the post the first few blogs will realize how hard it to accept the people to watch your content. To reach only 1,000 followers, you will need a lot of time and a lot of quality content. It is very demoralizing, and it is a reason why many people give up. So our advice is to help your channel a bit by increasing your organic visibility using service like Subscribers Ad. So this is the fastest and easiest way to get the followers, and then you will become a more visible to others, and then sky is the limit. Once you reach the few 100,000 followers, no one will follow, no one will know that you initially happened yourself that way. So it doesn't spoil what you do in any way. It just help you to break through among the much competition. If you started a travel blog in 10 years ago, everything would be much easier. Today the competition is so great that without a little help at the beginning, it is almost impossible to success. Now the next point come here is set your goals. A business plan is essential. It doesn't have to be a classic business plan, but you do have to set your goals. Of course, you would be best to visit the most interesting destinations immediately and to have a million followers within a 6 months. But you have neither the money nor the time for it, at least not in the beginning. So you have to have a realistic goals. Think about where you could travel in the near future and what content you would create. Once you are planned, the first few trips stick to the plan. Now the next thing come here is talk yourself. Now if you people who start following you do not have a least some impression of your personality, so it is very unlikely that they will continue to watch your vlogs on the regular basis. People like to feel familiar with the vloggers they follow. The only way to achieve this is to not talk about destinations you are visiting during the vlogs, but about yourself, and constantly share your personal impressions. Anyone can get general information about each place. Your personal impression is what interests them. And the last, I would like to suggest be unique. To be unique, they need to visit the place that are not among the most popular tourist destination. There are so many bloggers and blogs about the Paris and New York that isn't virtually impossible to get people's attention. If you travel to these cities, you should try to go somewhere where it is difficult for the people to get, and tell them more about that place and the people who live there. You had to stand out for the crowd with the unique content. Now, while concluding, I would like to say there are basic tips we give here. It would be ideal if you could post a blog every day at the same time and same day, and be consistent with your ideas, with your goals. Over time, this will brings you your sponsors who which will allow you to travel even more and create even better content, and then it is a certain that the number of subscribers will go day by day. So thank you so much for watching these videos, and if you find this useful, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you so much.